Arav Enterprises believes in moving ahead as the leading dealer with consultation in swimming pool filtration, fountains, steam, sauna and jacuzzi related leisure products. We are firmly positioned as the major swimming pool filtration plant manufacturer and suppliers in India. Relish the soothing, refreshing moments of swimming and diving more than once. But have you ever stumbled upon finding the right pool filtration company? If yes, then believe Arav Enterprises. Customizing the filtration system as per the client's requirements is our main forte. We offer all types of filtration systems in different make like FRP and MS. Drives us distinct from other filtration companies are: we provide our service using latest techniques and technologies, enabling long-term operations and the ease of maintenance. We have been established. We continue to develop and create better and more impressive pool filter products over and over again, and customers continue to be pleased with results. Cares a lot about its customers and wants to build a long-lasting relation with those who use our products. Arav Enterprises, we make water pleasure for you.